All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with the bout number 4. The strawweight division ignites once again at the Warriors Dream Series 15, the fight night. Speed, grit, relentless pressure. Introducing first, fighting out of the blue corner, representing Shmasex MMA and Fitness, trained under the coach Sohail Khan, holding an amateur MMA record of 7 wins and just 2 losses. Make some noise for Ritesh Kanodia! And his opponent fighting out of the red corner, representing the Tribal Warriors, trained under the coach Carlos Almeida, with an impressive amateur record of 8 wins and 2 losses. Please welcome Suryansh Pathak. The fight nights. Here we go with the bout number 4.
And we kick off another banger fight. We have Ritesh Kanodia in the blue corner, training out of Smash MMA and Fitness. And we have Suryansh Pathak in the red corner from Tribal Warriors, Goa. It is a 52.2 kg strawweight bout.
On one side, we have Ritesh Kanodia. And on the other side, we have Suryansh Pathak. And here we go with the round 1 of bout number 4.
Both of them taking some time to gauge distance and figure out the action plan.
Trying to land punches, trying to land kicks on each other.
That's nice head movement by Suryansh.
And amazing.
And he gets a takedown. He uses momentum and he gets a good, solid takedown.
He's on guard.
Ritesh has guard maintained.
Underhook.
Suryansh slips in that underhook.
Ritesh Kanodia trying to grab the opponent Suryansh Pathak from landing punches and moving forward.
Suryansh trying
Suryansh
for the
Pathak.
choke. And he's unsuccessful in getting Ritesh's back.
This is the start of round 1. And still we can see how the fighters.
The crowd is cheering for the both of them. Ritesh has his body weight on Suryansh right now, trying to create pressure. He's looking for that perfect ground and pound entry.
And see, Warriors Dream Series is a place where opportunities are created, where we provide platform for every fighter out there. This is a perfect platform for the fighters to showcase their talent in front of the world.
We've seen so much of this great talent coming.
And
Is
he
it an
goes
armbar?
for the armbar.
Is it an armbar entry? And it is. The armbar is secure.
What do you think? Will
And he
Ritesh
taps.
Ritesh taps.
And Ritesh taps
The
in
win
round
goes
1 of
to
the fight.
Suryan Spartak in
Suryan
the round
Spartak
1
showing excellent BJJ in this fight.
via submission through armbar.
The setup for that armbar was so slick. You can't see that coming. Great
Setup was so
execution
skilled.
and great setup by Suryansh. He wins it. And there's Carlos Almeida, the wizard behind that BJJ armbar. He gets in the cage.
The
Hugging his
love,
coach.
the love between the coach and the student is unmatched, is unreal.
Exactly. The bond that these fighters form with their coaches is phenomenal. They teach you discipline, love, hard work, and the most important aspect of it, sportsmanship.
Oh, the coach is always the second father of a person who teaches the student.
Also, I have some news for you guys. Suryansh is recovering from an arm break while getting into this fight. So definitely, this has been a phenomenal achievement for him. Everybody's happy for him. He has shown true grit and strength right in this octagon tonight. Just look at that energy.
This in 1 minute 50 seconds of round number 1. Your winner via armbar from the red corner.
And you can see the smile, the happiness at Suryan's
Suryansh
face.
wins it and he wins it in style. His emotion can convey
He's crying, man. He's
क्या
crying.
hard journey की है. This definitely conveys it. And look at the sportsmanship. This is what we love about MMA.
MMA is all about love, respect.
Fitness back to the